In this video we're going to discuss about the menus tab in here. So menu consists of different controls to allow users to create different menus, and in order to create menu, simply click on the menu on the top right here and then click on the plus sign on the left and give a name for the menu. I'll just call it test on the name section, and then after select from the menu position drop down to position the menu on the top, bottom, left, right and so on. So if you want this menu to show on the top of the page or on the bottom of the page, or on the left, right and so on. Okay, let's say that's top. And there's this checkbox, the main menu checkbox, which shows the menu as the main menu. So if this checkbox is checked, it will show the menu. It will show the menus that have been created as the main menu as soon as users log in. So the main menu they'll be redirected to after the login will be this menu that has been created if this checkbox is checked. Now after this, now click on the plus sign right here to add a row, right? And then when you add a row, a grid appears on the screen with the following column's name, which this name section is the name that displays on the main menu, like say home page or say create referral, but let's call it home page. And parent. So this parent is basically the parent is the main menu for the sub menus. So I'll give you an example here. Now let's create a menu called referral right here, right? So let's create a menu called referral here, and like okay, and then now we've created, which is a parent menu. Now let's create a view referral. Now let's create a view referral page, in which the parent is the referral. So what it does is, so there is a menu called the referral menu, and when you hover your mouse in that, there'll be another option, there'll be another menu inside the referral menu, which is the view referral menu. And similarly, pages. Now this is the page that will show for the menu. So select the page to show for the menu, like so what page would you want this menu to show? Say resume list. This is what I want this particular menu to show. And there's an icon, so this is the icon that will show in the menu, whatever icon you've selected from the drop down. And index helps place the menu in the order of numbers. So say for example, if you put the index as 1, right? So say I'll put the index as 1 for referral. Now it will show the referral menu first on the top. So like say on the screen, the home menu right here is the first on the dashboard. So if I'm to create this home menu using this, the index for this is going to be 1, so that it shows first. And for sub menus, again, if you put the index as 1, so index is 1, then the view referral icon will be the first menu that will show under the referral. And we have the delete icon, which obviously delete rows. You can delete rows like this, and always click on the save icon to save changes. Now users have the ability to select roles to give access to the menu created, right? So say if you want certain users only to have access to the menu, it can be set from the select role options like this. And say if I just want the manager and the HR to be able to access the menu, I select from here, and you create roles from the role section, which we'll come to later. And so this page that has been created is only been given access to these two users. Always click on the save button to save the changes.